Apple's Mac Mini has always been about one thing: delivering insane performance for the lowest possible price. And in 2026, that philosophy is coming back stronger than ever with the M5 Mac Mini. Last year's M4 Mac Mini was already one of the biggest upgrades in the product's 20-year history. For around $599, and often even less on sale, it became nearly impossible to build a faster, quieter, and more power-efficient desktop at that size. It wasn't just good value, it was in a league of its own. So what changes with the M5? The headline upgrade is obvious: M5 and M5 Pro chips. According to leaks, the M5 brings a significant jump in GPU performance, around 18% faster in creative workloads and up to 30% plus in gaming scenarios. CPU performance also improves across both single-core and multi-core tasks, but the biggest leap may actually be in the neural engine. AI workloads, video upscaling, and large language models are expected to run noticeably faster. That matters because Apple is clearly positioning macOS around AI-accelerated workflows, and the Mac Mini is becoming the cheapest entry point into that future. The good news? No major compromises. Apple already bumped the base RAM to 16 GB, and that's expected to stay. The design was refreshed recently, so don't expect changes there, and honestly, that's fine. It's compact, silent, and thermally efficient. Ports should remain solid too, with Thunderbolt support staying intact, especially on the M5 Pro model. But here's the real reason the M5 Mac Mini matters: pricing. All signs point to Apple keeping the starting price at $599. If that holds, this becomes one of the best performance per dollar computers on the market, period. For students, developers, creators, and even casual users, the M5 Mac Mini could be the smartest desktop buy of 2026. Same idea, more power, still unbeatable value. So the real question is, would you upgrade to the M5 Mac Mini, or is this already peak value? Let me know below.